Now being loaded, all set, ready for racing. Race number 3, racing just is started. We have Mr. Environment. Break quickly at the start, rushing up his Lady Galore. Tabel is down on the inside, also moving up. Now is Paminsan Bustillos is on the outside. Color My World Promise comes next. Don Alejandro Abateca. Then running by the rail now is Lucky Lorky. Bisabi comes next. Assistance while Lim Grand Story is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Lady Galore, a solo leader, maintaining a 5 lengths lead. And in second is Color My World. Moving up now on the outside is Don Alejandro Bustillos comes next. Then followed by Faminsan Promise is running by the Rela Bateca. Then comes Tabel, Mr. Environment, Alexis Touch, Lucky Lorky, and on the outside now is Lim Grand Story, while Wabi is Sabi now racing in 13th, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Lady Galore is still in control, maintaining a 6 lengths lead. Moving up now on the outside is Color My World Bustillos. Last 75 meters, we have Lady Galore followed by Color My World, and finally Lady Galore, Color My World, Abateca, Bustillos. Then comes number 2, Don Alejandro and Promise for your Super 6.